Hello everyone, in this video we will see how Google Meet video conferencing actually looks like. We will conduct previously scheduled meeting which is done in the previous video with 3 participants. Here we are using one laptop and 2 mobile phones. We have already downloaded the Google Meet app in the mobile. You can see that there is a pre-scheduled meeting and it will start in next 30 minutes. The moment we'll click schedule meeting button, it will take you to the landing page of the meeting. After joining in the meeting, we can see that no one has joined yet. Now we will launch the mobile app for user ID FTP ICT student and FTP ICT teacher, and you will be able to see that pre-scheduled meeting in the both mobile. Now in the both mobile, all information about the meeting is also available. It has also join and present button. The list of participants is also available in the app. Now we will try to join in the meeting. The moment we hit the join meeting button, it will seek permission from the organizer of the meeting. This is a very good feature and no one can join without prior approval of the organizer. Now we will seek permission one by one. So this is the request from FTP ICT teacher. A pop-up will appear with information that someone wants to join in the meeting with deny entry and admit button. The organizer will hit admit button and instantly the participants are able to join. Now the second request come in with the similar information. It is for FTP ICT student. The moment the organizer hits the admit button, he is also able to join in the meeting. Now we will check the participant list in the extreme right corner. Both participant has logged in and now we have total 3 participants including the organizer info bits. When we click on the participants, it will give you mute pin and force exit button. Mute button is necessary because during the meeting if noise occurs, the organizer can mute the participant of his own. This is very handy during large meeting. In case of large meeting, if everybody speaks at the same time, it will create huge noise. So it is recommended to keep the mic off all the time and wait for the permission to speak from the organizer. Then only participants should turn on his mic on and speak and then turn it off. This is the primary prerequisite of a successful meeting. In the case of video also, the participant can turn on the video all the time, but that will consume more internet data. To save internet data, participant can turn off their video and while speaking they turn it on. Now we will see how chat in the Google Meet video conferencing actually works. We will say hello and instantly it will appear in the both mobile application. We will say hello and instantly it will appear in both mobile application. Yes, it's coming. Now we will say hello from both participants and it reflects in all the participants window. This is the settings window and we will keep it as default. During the online class through video conferencing, Whiteboard is very much necessary. But in Google Meet, there is no as such native Whiteboard is available. However, Google has Jamboard, which can act as a whiteboard. Now we'll see how. We have already uploaded a video on Jamboard, and those who wants to go through it, the link is given in the description. To share the whiteboard, we will use this present now functionality. We will see how it works. The menu shows 3 options. First option is your entire screen. This is used to share entire desktop of your device. Whatever you have on your device, it will be displayed to all participants. This you might not want sometimes. You can use the second option. In this case, second option is a window. Suppose you have a browser and a presentation and a Word document and a PDF on your desktop, and you want to share only presentation to the participants. In this case, you can use this option. The third option is a Chrome tab. For this option, you have to use Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, it will not work. This option allows you to share only a Google Chrome browser tab to participants and nothing else. Okay, now we will try to open Jamboard. In the previous Jam, it is the previous Jam that we have created in the previous video, and we will use a Chrome tab option to share the Jamboard to the participants. First, we'll open the Jamboard. Here is the Jam comes in. Now we'll hit the Present Now button and then a Chrome tab. We'll select the Chrome tab where the Jamboard is actually running. Yeah, now it is coming. Okay, you can see that Jamboard is visible in the mobile device also. Whatever you do in the Jamboard, it is reflecting on the other device. We'll try creating a sticky note and it is visible all the devices. Okay, now we will try to present a PowerPoint presentation through the Google Meet. Here is the presentation. In this case, we select a window option. A window appears with all open window on the desktop, and we select the presentation and hit share button. The presentation is visible in all the devices. When we're done with the presentation, we can stop the share by hitting the stop share button. Attendance is also a major factor of video conferencing, and how we are going to track it. There is a Google Chrome extension for Google Meet to capture attendance of the participants. We need to download it and install the Meet attendance extension in the Google Chrome browser. So we have already installed the extension. Now you can see that there are 3 options here. Previously in this place there were only 2 options. When we press the middle option, it will trigger a Google Sheet where the attendance of the participants is captured and we can keep a record. So we have done with the demo now. Of course, there are a lot more options, features, extensions for the Google Meet is also available. But that will be another story at Infobits. Stay tuned.